Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So today I'm here with another Printful unboxing. You guys know that I love Printful and I am out here just testing out some new products just to see what the quality is like so that you guys can see as well. So today I have a canvas print, and I know a lot of people have kind of asked about this, but I'm excited to share my canvas print with you guys today. I am also telling you guys to make sure you check the description box and sign up for Printful at my affiliate link in the description box so you can start selling on numerous platforms today. I'm really crushing it over on Etsy with the Printful integration and of course with my Shopify store. So if you are new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you are notified every time that I release a new video. So let's get into the canvas print. So I think I got a 12 by 12, but it came in this box here. So woo, came from Charlotte. It had "Do Not Crush" on there on the outside, and I just took the tape off of the top so it would be easy for me to open. And oh, I guess I can open it like this. And it has bubble wrap in here, and it's covered. The canvas print is covered. So I'll move this out the way. And I can tell you guys exactly the size. So it is a 12 by 12 canvas print. Okay. So it is in the bubble wrap. And I did do a picture, well, the second bubble wrap. Oh, it's actually in like a sleeve. So I did a picture of me and my family. So super excited about this. Oh, this looks really good, guys. Here is a 12 by 12 canvas print. This is me and my family. So love the quality. Love the quality of this photo. Looks really, really good. So that's a 12 by 12. Nice size. Really nice size. Really nice size. I guess the only thing is my photo wasn't really a big square photo, so it was hard to cover the edges completely. I could have like mirrored it and it'd be like double, but the only reason I didn't is because I couldn't. So that was hard, but they print their canvases out and then they pull it to print it. Here is, I believe that's the little hanger that you can add on to hang your picture up on the wall. But other than that, it looks really good. But like I said, I didn't have a picture that was an exact square, and I didn't resize it really on Canva. So that would be my only downfall of this, but that was my mistake. So when you upload, make sure you upload a photo that can fully cover the canvas, because you see the top was good and the bottom was good and half of this side was good, but I didn't have enough photo for this side. But other than that, it looks really good. The quality is good as well, and I love it. I'm excited to put this up in my house. So that is my unboxing with my canvas print. I know they have a good amount of sizes, but you should check it out. I have been like decorating my living room, so I needed new pictures. So this is awesome to add to the addition of the other prints that I've already ordered. I'm excited about redecorating my home and just putting some up-to-date pictures in it. So this was awesome. I cannot remember the price of this canvas print, but just go over to printful.com and check out most of their new products. Check out their canvas print and their home and living accessories. Really good products for you guys to choose from. And I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Tell me which one of my Printful videos have you guys enjoyed so far. I've been doing a lot of Printful unboxing. This is a shirt I have on from one of my Printful unboxings as well. So I hope you guys did enjoy that video as well. But wow, I'm just in awe of the quality. Again, I can't stop looking at it. It's amazing. So until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.